For a stunning, fun-filled holiday, look no further than magical Hamilton Island. Located in the heart of the spectacular Whitsunday Islands, Hamilton Island, with its sweeping views of the enchanting waterways, has a knack of bringing any dream holiday to life. There's a myriad of activities available, including boating, adventure tours and cruises, beach and water sports, diving and snorkeling, fishing, bush safaris and even tennis and golf for the more energetic. For couples or the growing family, the Oasis Apartment 3 is considered the ideal accommodation choice. Stylish living reaches new levels in this comfortably modern, bright and breezy apartment, which is exquisitely furnished and offers amazing water views from the huge balcony. Oasis Apartment 3 is fully air-conditioned, and the open-plan living and dining area is perfect for entertaining or just relaxing and taking in the views. The apartment's modern kitchen has all the appliances required to prepare a delicious meal. The main bedroom with king bed has a large bathroom and an inviting spa bath. Oasis on Hamilton Island has its own shared pool for exclusive use of the residents, and each apartment has its own electric golf cart. Just a short stroll away is the Marina Village, which has more than 20 restaurant and dining options, shops, bars and nightclubs to choose from.